What's up, guys, and welcome back to the shop. In today's video we're going to be doing the smaller knife from the cleaver that we made in the previous videos. We're going to be making the smaller knife that pairs with it for my father. We're going to cut off some leaf spring and let's get started. Typical 5 in the afternoon in Florida. It's August. It just rains every afternoon without exception. It's coming. It's coming. sure, especially if it's a forged knife, be sure to always normalize it at least once or twice before you heat treat it to help out. Skate the file very nicely. Consider that a very successful heat treat. Now it's time to temper. Alright, she's all nice and tempered, still a little toasty. Nice straw yellow color. You can totally hear that fan going off like crazy, but straw yellow color. Alrighty, now we got to get into giving it a finished grind and throwing our handle on it in. This, I got it out of the edge. It's turned into a light gray, light darkish grayish. Looks pretty cool. I like dropping them in the etching because it looks pretty interesting. I like this little ring that I made right there. You can see it. That little ring is the temper line from where I got only this part like really hot, and then I dropped it in and heat treated it, and that's the line that marks where it's harder metal and softer metal. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, the knife is done. It's actually quite comfortable grip. This doesn't, I'm not sure why that hole is there, but that's what the knife looked like, so that's the way I wanted to make it. I mean, if you're slicing or something, I don't know. The way I hold the knife is like this. Whenever I'm cutting or something, I hold it like that. I mean, if you want to put your finger through it and slice and shit like a ninja, I don't know. But it looks cool, and that's what matters. It looks cool and it's sharp. All right, let's do a paper test. Oh, the fan's carrying it. But yeah, it's definitely nice and sharp. Goes through this paper like butter. So we're done with this build. It was a quick one-day build, one video build. It takes me a few days to make it on my free time, but I think it came out very, very nice. It's very, very comfortable. If you liked any part of the video or thought anything was cool, be sure to like the video. It really helps out with the algorithm, and it helps push out this video to more people to see. If you haven't already subscribed, be sure to subscribe. That way you can keep getting more cool, random cool builds in your feed. I post every Thursday and occasionally on Tuesdays. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Later.